Alright, excuse me. This is making a quick update video. I just built the first frame. That's the waterfall part. Just turning it on. Yes, I know it's dirty. Of course, I'm going to clean it out before I put anything in there officially. I still have to do the concrete in the bottom of the hole. I'm just making sure the measurements are everything right. These boards right here are the 4 feet boards. And I just cut 2 of these from the 4x4s, 17 inches or 17 and a half inches. One here at the top to support the water right there, and one back there in the back to support that. The heft of the water. Everything's coming along. Everything is coming along. I have to try to adjust that a little bit, but of course when I set it in, make sure that comes out even. You gotta finish doing some leveling in the hole itself. Quick update. Putting concrete down in the hole. I just want to do talk about this right here. There's a reason why I got these kind of off center. What I'm going to be doing is taking like some type of chicken wire or something, attaching it to the wood, so that way I can layer it in like landscaping fabric dipped in concrete to try to form a natural looking rock. And as we know, there's no rock that's in nature that's 100% perfect. So that's why you will see stuff like this, where everything's not perfectly lined up from the back and like right here to the front as well. You know, I'll probably be sanding some stuff here, little nicks and crannies, stuff like that. You see that piece sticking off all the way. Like I said, you know, just another quick update, just showing the leveling and doing the concrete. That'd be all. Stay forward, look forward to the rest. See, I already re-leveled it, leveled everything, so the water's running out pretty clear now. This board here was just sitting up here to brace that. I just concreted it in, so I'm trying to push it away, keeping it level, that way it's not leaning onto the waterfall itself. But everything's coming along. Everything's looking pretty good. Show you a quick little run around real quick. Of course, I'm gonna cut this off. I'm thinking about whether or not I should try to put another pole there to make something else out of that spot right there. But this is everything so far. Everything just coming together pretty good.